Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss map location, latitude and longitude in Power App. A map control in Power Apps helps us display geographical location inside our app. Using the map, we can show the user current location, track position and visual location using latitude and longitude. The main benefit of using a map is that it makes the app more interactive, location aware and useful for location based features. So this is our blank canvas app. First, insert a map control. Now, select the current location latitude. Remove the existing one and add this formula location dot latitude. This formula retrieves the latitude north-south position of the user current device location. Now, select the current location longitude property. Remove the existing value and add this formula location dot longitude. This formula retrieves the longitude east-west position of the user current device location. Next, set the current location property. So click on that. Now set it to true. When this property is enabled, the map will automatically detect and display the user current location on the map. Now to the app, you can see that the map automatically shows my current location because we use the location, latitude and location longitude formulas. Now go back and select the current location latitude property again. Remove the existing value and add this like 38.9852. This is a fixed latitude coordinate, which means the map will now point to a specific location instead of the current device location. Now select the current location longitude. Remove the existing value and add this. Here we are adding the longitude value. Latitude and longitude together define an exact location on the map. Now preview the app again. You can see that the map now displays the specific location based on the latitude and longitude value was entered. So in this video, we learned how to use the map control in Power Apps, how to show the current location, and how to display a specific location using latitude and longitude coordinates. Thanks for watching.